Hey guys, after 3 to 5 months, you want to replace your shaving heads because these are going to deteriorate, or they may have taken a lot of beating with shaving cream or hair, or maybe you had dropped it and these blades get somewhat compromised. All right. So to replace the head, you're going to want to just tug this apart. And then when you get your brand new head, you just want to line up the grooves. As you'll see, there's a straight line type groove within a circle. And then you'll see the entry area for the straight line. And then there's the groove. So you want to line those up and you literally just want to push back. And that's how you replace your head and you're ready to shave again. Let's talk about how long you can use the shaving heads for. Now, I've used shaving heads for over 6 months, but that was when I first started balding and I wasn't shaving as often. So I would use the shaver every 5 days or so, and that was fine. So if you're not using your shaver as often, and you're cleaning it properly by dipping it into a cup and running the shaver and making sure all the shaving hairs or the shaving creams come out, then you don't need to replace your head as often. You know, many companies are going to force you to try and replace the heads every 3 months, but I want to save you money. However, if you're shaving every 1 to 2 days, which if you're fully bald and that's the style that you rock, I recommend that you replace the heads every 3 to 5 months, just for sanitary reasons and safety reasons and performance reasons on top of it. So if you have coarser hair and you're shaving very often, you're going to have to replace it every 3 to 5 months. If you have finer hair and you're using it very often, you may be able to stretch it for 5 months. We have a subscription plan on our website. You can get it for every 30 days or every 90 days. The cool thing about the subscription plan is you get to save money on each of the shavers. You'll save 15% on each of your purchases. And then you will also be part of a plan that extends the warranty of your bald buddy for the lifetime or for the time that you are part of the subscription plan. This bald buddy comes with a 1-year warranty, which is great. We replace it if you have any failure or any issues with this product. However, if you are on a subscription plan, that means 5 years down the road, if your shaver starts giving issues with a battery or it won't start or it's just breaking down on you, then we'll replace your shaver for free as long as you're part of the protection plan. So once again, to replace the heads, you tug, and then when you get the new head, you just go ahead and replace it. There are some rotary cleaning solutions that you can buy that are available on Amazon and other places. We do not have a rotary cleaning solution just yet. Just warm water and running your shaver works just fine. Sometimes I put a little bit of soap in the water when I'm running the shaver, but you can check out some of those solutions if you feel like you want to clean it even more. You can check out the video on cleaning our shaver in this tutorial section. And it's very important that you clean your shaver between shaves, even during shaves, and then you can also do a deep cleaning that we'll show you. Take care now, guys.